Hi, this tutorial by needlepointers.com is a simple way to turn ladies' knee-high or trouser socks into tights for an American Girl doll or 18-inch doll. Buying doll clothes for a doll can be expensive. If you purchase knee or trouser socks at Dollar Tree, you can make 2 tights for an American Girl doll for $1. This is also a great way to use up mismatched socks. These American Girl tights work up quickly in about 15 minutes. So let me show you how to do it. What you need to make doll tights are women's dress socks or knee socks, straight pin, fabric marker, ruler, fabric scissor, thread to match the socks, and a sewing machine. Turn the sock inside out and slip the sock onto the doll so the top of the sock reaches the doll's waist. If the sock has an obvious seam, line it up in the middle back between the doll legs. Don't stretch the sock a lot as you put it on the doll. Next, place a pin where the crotch should be and also a pin at the feet. Then carefully remove the sock off the doll, making sure to keep the pins in place. Lay the sock on a flat surface. The top pin is where the crotch of the doll is. The bottom pin is where the feet are. Now, with a scissor, cut the sock about a ½ inch below the bottom pin, straight across. Use a ruler to measure the width of the sock. Divide the measurement in half. Then using a fabric marker, mark the center sock lengthwise. When sewing the tight, this will help to keep a straight line as you're sewing. Thread the sewing machine with thread that matches the sock. Select a small zigzag stitch. For my Bernina machine, I set the zigzag stitch to 1.5 wide and 1.5 length. Also use a jersey or stretch needle. For this demonstration, I'm using white thread so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to start up on the one side of the sock and I'm going to make a slight curve going around where the foot would be, and then I'm going to start going up next to this drawn line. Now I like to do a little bit of a back stitch just to make sure that it holds everything in place, and then start to stitch. Don't forget to take out any pins that you might have in it. I'm having my needle down, I'm lifting the presser foot a little, and then I'm going to continue on. Again, lifting it, and I'm stitching right next to that line. Now you're going to want to stop. This is where the crotch part is, so you want to stop just below that. Or maybe you would say just stop right before it a little bit. Okay, with the presser foot down, turn it. I'm going to take out this pin. I'm going to stitch across. And I don't know, it's maybe 6 to 8 stitches. This is where the stress will be on the tight, so I'm going backwards and then I'm going forward again. I'm going to raise the presser foot and then I'm going to go down the other side and do the same thing at the bottom. The tights should look similar to this. Now we're going to carefully cut along the inside line right between the stitching, stopping about 1/4 of an inch from the crotch. Make sure you do not cut into the stitches up there. Then you trim the excess off of the bottom where the feet are. And then it's time to turn it right side out. Finally, try them on your doll. The toe seam will be right across the end of the doll's toe, and the leg seam should run straight up the inside of the doll's leg. Easy peasy. Enjoy making cute and fast tights for your favorite dolls. These tights are a fun accessory to so many outfits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. To do so, simply click the link in the video or description section. We also have lots of other free doll crafts and tutorials, so head over to our website, needlepointers.com.